You can kind of see there's a snake under there. He's got his head in the grass. You can't really see it, but I sprayed him with water and he just froze. Hi, I'm Kathy. Welcome to the homestead. My last video is still loading, so usually by the time you see these videos, I'm steps ahead. But today, I was just working on the solar panels, getting them switched up, and doing weed eating. You'll see I put some clips on for you, but it's pretty time consuming. Well, of course, I get up and water the garden and walk the dog. The other day, I took Gina down and walked her. I just walked her down to the road and back. And it seemed like she was looking up the road, kind of interested in something. I didn't really pay any attention. We walked back up here. Well, then I got to work. Oh, I was going to take the sheet back here out and get the waterproofing on it, which I haven't done yet. We were supposed to have a lot of wind, but then we didn't. But I didn't want the sheet out there to blow in the wind, so I ended up doing other things. But anyhow, I was out here and I was going to bring this out. I was standing out on the driveway and all of a sudden I heard this bunch of hooves. It sounded like a herd of cattle coming up the driveway. Seriously, it was very loud. Then I looked up and the driveway bends, so you can't see right away what's coming. And then here comes Gina running up the driveway with about, I don't know how many javelinas. It scared me, so I didn't even count them. So I made a run for the gate, told her to come on. She came with me. She thought she was in trouble, I think, because she hesitated. Because I was serious, like, come on, Gina. And she hesitated. I said, come on. And she came in. And the javelina stopped there at the end of those, where those big ruts are in the driveway. When they saw me, javelinas here are afraid of people. They're not afraid of dogs. The javelinas don't know the difference between a dog and a coyote. They can't see that great, but they have a good sense of smell. If they smell a dog, they think it's a coyote. And knowing Gina, she wanted to play, and she ran at him, because everything she runs at runs, and she could chase it, like the rabbits, the deer. She very seldom chases deer. I don't see them around here too often, but she loves to chase the jackrabbits and the bunnies, and they can outrun her, and I don't think she'd do anything to them if she caught them. But anyway, so the javelina stopped and they left. Well, now I'm worried all the time that she'll go off and want to play with these javelinas if she smells them. And so I've been keeping her real close. I don't need any more javelina action. And then I saw another rattlesnake. And I don't see them very often. I had a couple. They decided to get married in my little yard over there. My neighbor had to come and get them. And then just recently, I had another one under my RV, and I sprayed water on it, and it left. Thank goodness. So, yeah, I've been kind of worried about these snakes around here, so I decided I better get on my weed eating a little bit better, because the snakes like that tall grass and weeds. It's just too much around here. I don't want to be walking around them every time I'm trying to do something. So, yeah. Whoop. So I'm going to... Do you see that? I swear they love me. So, anyhow, I'm going to be working on the weed eating for the probably next couple days. But I'm glad you stopped by. I'll put some clips on for you. So this morning I'm getting these off the pallets and I'm going to store them. They'll be useful in other applications. I think I'll put one on my starter battery that runs my water pump on the coach. I can just trickle charge it. I don't know if I'll do that. But anyway, I'll put them aside and they'll be good for other things. So it occurred to me that I don't have a backup for my solar. So I got a good deal on these. These weren't too bad of a price, and they're bringing in 50 more watts than the others did. But the others will be great to have for a backup, or if I need solar panels somewhere else around the homestead. So I got the other ones all unhooked, and I got to take that pallet back over with the other pallets. I got it halfway there. Got these all wrapped up, and I put them in here in my cabin, but it occurs to me I really need a storage shed. But I don't want some nasty one full of rats and mice, so kind of trying to figure that out. But I think for sure I'll need a metal one. I don't know. I'm gonna think about that. But I'm just getting so much stuff in here because I don't have anywhere else to put it out of the weather. And the weather here is just tremendous, so that'll be something I need to work on. I thought I'd better weed eat around this before I put the tarp on. I forgot about that little detail. But there are a lot of weeds out there. So I'm going to see if my little weed eater can... I'm pretty sure it'll be rough the first time around because these weeds are getting pretty tall. But I'm going to have a go at them. I got my gaiters on. Those are like covers for the lower part of your legs. Because there might be snakes out there. I don't know. I've seen snakes here this year, so I'm going to get to work on that, and then I'll cover that with the tarp.
It stopped threading, so I have to go figure out what causes it to thread or stop threading.
Well, there's a button on there that you can feed it with. It's supposed to feed out every time you stop it and start it. You know, there's just not a perfect weed eater. So, anyhow, let me get to work back here. I got my hat on. I can feel the UV starting up. It's about 7:30. So, I'll get back to it.
I think I'll move this pile of wood. I was keeping it there because I kept using some of it for one thing or another. My blocks up there or something. It's a good hiding place for the snakes, so after I get this part weed-eated over here, I'll put it in my scrap bin.
Well, I got a lot of that weed eating done. Main thing was getting that tarp on there. So, tomorrow I will probably do some more weed eating. It's getting hot though. But I need to trim this back further. And back behind here is a lot of weeds. I just don't want to have a good snake habitat here. So I'm gonna do some weed eating. That's it for me. I'm so glad you stopped by. It is getting hot out here. I'm going in and do a little housework and get a shower. I hope you're all having great days. I appreciate you stopping by. I'll see you soon. You take real good care.